Welcome to the BizStack channel, where we dive into the tools that supercharge your productivity. Today, we're exploring top-notch alternatives to Microsoft OneNote. Ready to find your perfect digital note-taking companion? Let's get started. OneNote has been a popular choice for organizing notes and information, but perhaps you're craving something different, maybe a platform with more robust project management features or an interface that simply clicks with you. Whatever the reason, there's a whole world of options out there. First up, Google Workspace, a suite that's all about collaboration. With its user-friendly interface, it's perfect for those who thrive in cooperative work environments. Then, there's Notion, the all-in-one workhorse. It's customizable, allowing you to create databases, wikis, and note collections, all while mastering project management. Evernote steps up with its organizational prowess. It's the go-to for those who love traditional note-taking but want those notes to be synced and organized efficiently. For simplicity and seamless integration with other applications, Zoho Notebook shines. Plus, it's big on privacy and security, which is critical in today's digital age. But it's not all about features. A key factor in choosing the right platform is how well it facilitates project management. Look for task prioritization, team collaboration spaces, reporting tools, and integration with other software. These are the building blocks of a great project management tool. What about pricing models? These competitors offer various options: subscription-based, freemium, one-time purchase, and usage-based. It's essential to consider what fits best with your budget and usage needs. And let's not forget about security. Your notes often contain sensitive info. Does the platform use strong encryption, comply with regulations, and offer robust user permissions? Security is a deal-breaker. Choosing the right alternative to OneNote depends on a blend of these factors. Assess the cost, how well it can incorporate into your existing systems, and its accessibility across devices and operating systems. Wrapping up, deciding on a note-taking tool is not just about leaving OneNote behind, it's about enhancing your workflow and productivity. Evaluate each alternative thoroughly to find your match. Have you used any of these OneNote alternatives? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you're hungry for more details, check out the full article on our blog. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on BizStack.